Welcome back to this edition of Cat Plays Pokemon Crystal. When last we left off, we had gone through Sprout Tower, and we're just about to take on the Violet City Gym. Get ready for a fun time, y'all. But first, if you enjoy this series, be sure to smash that like button. Smash that like button in the face. And like and subscribe, of course, if you enjoy video game content. And also, comment who your favorite gym leader in Pokemon Gold and Silver is. My favorite is Morty. And we'll meet him later on. So let's see what this sign says. Violet City Pokemon Gym. Leader, Faulkner. The elegant master of flying Pokemon. Oh, crap. Okay. Hey, I'm no trainer, but I can give some advice. Believe me, if you believe a championship dream can come true. You believe? Then listen. The grass type is weak against the flying type. Keep this in mind. Okay. So we're gonna make our way through this gym. What is this? How odd. Anyways. Here we go. I bet all the trainers are bird keepers. Okay, bet. First battle of the gym. Get ready. I was right. It's a bird keeper. His name is Abe. Aw, Spearow! It's so cute! I want to catch one. Oh shit, we need to stock up on potions later. Crap, this is looking bad. Phew. And that's one down. We gotta go get some more potions. I think we need to get some more potions. There's a car going by. I need to pop by the Pokemon Center first. Alright, let's heal up our team. And I apologize for this episode coming out kind of late. I've been so busy lately that I just have been so tired. I haven't really had much energy to film playthroughs. And that's on me. That's totally on me. I apologize for that. But don't worry, I'm ready to hit the ground running. Let's rock this thing. Wait. Okay, there we go. Oh, who's this guy? Alright, y'all. Here we go. Next bird keeper. Goofy, y'all. I had no idea there were so many different bird types, or flying types. I wonder why I haven't caught a Pidgey yet. I'd love to catch one. I'd name it Biscuitio. I'd name it Biscuitio or something, I don't know. In my Heart Gold file, I have one named Biscuitio, which is supposed to sound like Spaghettio. We're doing great, guys. Just keep hanging in there. Hang tough. Just hang loose, Hedwig. I love the little wing flap. That's so cute. The little wing flap. That's adorable. Ooh, people in the comments, tell me what your favorite flying type Pokemon is. My favorite flying type is, I don't know, probably Staraptor or Talonflame. Both of those are cool. Whoa, lucky shot. Good job. Gah! We gotta heal up our team real quick. Hey, hold up. This music kind of bopped, though. There he is. There's Faulkner. I'm Faulkner, the Violet Pokemon Gym Leader. People say you can clip flying-type Pokemon's wings with a jolt of electricity. I won't allow such insults to bird Pokemon. I'll show you the real power of the magnificent bird Pokemon. Okay. Okay. Oh, he kinda cute. Not gonna lie, he kinda cute. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, he's kinda cute. No, I'm not about to have a crush on Bird Boy. Bird nerd. Cute Pidgey, where'd you get it? The dollar store? Good job, Hedwig. Come on back. Good job, Hedwig. Come on back. Alright. Go, Typhoon. How did that do nothing? Bro, how did that do nothing? Sorry if I'm quiet during this battle, y'all. Oh shit, we need to heal him. Let's fight to the finish. Alright guys, looks like we gotta fight to the finish. Ooh. Good job. One more time. Woo! That was close. Level up! Yay! Finally, we learned Ember. Darn, my dad's cherished bird Pokemon. Alright, take this. It's the official Pokemon League Zephyr badge. Thank you! Yippee! We got the Zephyr badge! So let's look at our new badge. There's our Zephyr badge. And we need to call Mom. Let's try it again. Oh, Professor Elm's calling. Hello, Cat. We discovered something about the egg. My assistant is at the Pokemon Center in Violet City. Could you talk to him? Click. It's probably gonna hatch, but I don't wanna have to drag an egg along with me for the whole journey. We're gonna have to wait until after we've beaten the game to take this egg with us. Let's go use this PC over here. I'm thinking about, let's change which ones we got. Okay, Bubbles is off the team. I don't really have any need for a water type. So we got an egg. I really don't want to hatch this egg, y'all. So we're gonna head towards Bubbles. And let's put in the egg because I don't have time for it right now. Okay, so now we're gonna move on with our journey. Oh, but first, let's put Emmett at the front of our party. We want our bug type to grow big and strong. Oh wait, some more Pokeballs. I keep pressing the select button on accident. Oh wow, we have a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff. Nice. I remember in Diamond and Pearl when I finally, what's this? Ruins of Alf. What is this bizarre place? We'll check it out later. That is really weird. Let's see what we can find on Route 36, y'all. Try to find our last one. Aw, Pidgey. I don't think Emmett can fight a Pidgey. I don't really want to catch a Pidgey. We already have a flying type. And it's poisoned, so we don't want to take it with us. Knock that thing out of the sky. Why not? I'm glad I got more than I needed. I just realized I can't evolve my, What's Yo, dude. There's just one problem. I have no idea where we're supposed to go next. Ooh, wait. Do you think maybe we're supposed to go up that mountain road? Also, I'm thinking about trading Hedwig out. But I want to wait till I find something stronger than Hedwig is. How do we get out of here? I wonder what the next city is supposed to be. Let's go this way. Really fine. Yeah, there's nothing here. Okay. Maybe we're supposed to go up the mountain road? Just a thought. Maybe it's best if we, you know, take the mountain road. Ooh, berry! Fruit-bearing tree. Hey, it's bitterberry. That'd be great when we need it. Dark cave. You don't think we're supposed to go through the dark cave? Hold on. Let me check my map. See where we're supposed to go. Oh, wait. Are we supposed to go down Route 32? Hold on. Wait a minute. I think we're supposed to go down Route 32. Was this in Azalea Town, the next town? Alright guys, so we're gonna make our way to Azalea Town next. So this is Violet City. I just noticed all the towns are like named after plants and stuff. I think maybe we're supposed to go through the ruins of Alf. Hey, looks like we're on the right path. I think we're on the right path. Oh hey, back entrance to Violet City. That would later become Cherry Berries. So this is gonna be kind of a longer episode. Oh, that's cool! I didn't know you could do that! Shortcuts! Let's catch it. He is Emmett. Yeah, let's catch it. Oh, it's poison. Let's catch it anyway. I think I'm gonna name it maybe Squeakers? How about Squeakers? No, I don't really like that name. Rattata, the rat Pokemon. This Pokemon's impressive vitality allows it to live anywhere. It also multiplies very quickly. I'm gonna name it... I'm gonna call it D. No wait, I have a better one. Let's call it Squeakers. No. I've got it! Mousy! Wait, I got an even better one. How about I name it after a cheese? Let's call it Havarti. Like Havarti cheese. Havarti. Havarti it is. Oh wow, I found a thing! Oh, we got a battle. Who really wants to do this? Ooh, interesting choice. Oh, it's kinda cute! I kinda want one now. I can name it Starflight. Come back, Havarti. Excuse you. Stop doing that. Nice save. Ingo coming in clutch. Now we can just like wail on this dude, basically. We can just wail on him. Nice. Good job. Another new move. Awesome. Yeah, don't mess with Team Catherine. This is my last one. Alright, let's see what it is. Bro, I've seen a million of these. Miss me with that bullshit. Yes! I don't think Havarti's gonna be a permanent member of our team just cause. I don't know, just cause. I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna keep him on my team. Is it still rolling? Good lord, it's still rolling. Also, what was that guy trying to do? Push that Slowpoke tail on me. I didn't really want a Slowpoke tail. Okay. And Bubbles. Make room for some new team members. I need a jacket. Blanket. I have a feeling this is going to be kind of a long haul episode. So, in between the shorter episodes, we will have these longer episodes. Ugh. Not again. Don't tell me he's a bird keeper. He's a bird keeper. Are you kidding? Oh, stupid bird keepers. I'm really not interested in roughing up my team. Oh yeah? Check this out. Oh yeah, he's in trouble. Typhoon, why do your attacks keep missing? Wicked. Nice. About to send in our... I kind of want a Spearow. They're super cute. We're about to send in our baby.